ओके वेलकम बैक। अभी अब तक 20 स्टूडेंट्स थे, अभी फिर से 9 people are still coming. Let's see मैम, जस्ट अभी लाइट आया। अच्छा तब लेट्स सी। Okay, तो insert, I guess everyone understood. I just drop a message. Okay, so suppose now this is all about adding items in the front end and in the middle, right? Now let's see the delete part, how we can delete. So now you can see this is our first node. Okay. Now this is your first node and I want to delete it. What you will do? This one you can just keep. How? You are just going to set this header pointer here. Okay. Sorry, यहाँ पे उल्टा दे दिया. So your head pointer was linked to your first node. So if you want to delete the item in the beginning, you will simply point this header to your second node. If you are Deepa is speaking something, but I can't hear. Are you saying something, Deepa?
Ma'am, I'm not saying anything. It's maybe because of the noise, because of the fan.
Oh, okay, yeah, maybe because sometimes it's showing Deepa is speaking. Anyway, so that means what? You are not exactly deleting an item, just that you are skipping the first item. You are just pointing the head to the second. That means this node is no longer in your loop. You can create a linked list only when there is a link. Now with the first node, now we don't have any link with this whole linked list. That means this one is simply skipped and you just pointed the header to the second node. So this is the delete item from the beginning. Now you want to delete it from the end. So this is your null pointer, correct? This is your last node. So what you need to do, you are simply going to remove this connection and you will point this second last node to the null pointer. That means what? This node is skipped now. Second last becomes your first last. That means the last node now. Correct? You are simply going to skip that one. Now you want to delete in the middle. Which one you want to delete? You want to delete 30. So if you want to delete 30, what's the previous node? It's your 60, correct? And what's the node after 30? that is your 40. So if you want to delete this 30, what you will do, the pointer that is in your previous node, which is your 60, this will be pointed to 40 only. That means what? This node is skipped. Now you have a new connection here from 60 to 40 and this one got connected. So actually here it's not like you are deleting an item, you are just skipping the address, just cutting the connection. So if you want to delete the item, you just need to check what's the node before it. Okay, so you will simply cut the link, you will just change the address to the next pointer, which will be the node after 30. Is it clear? Adding and deleting thing. Again, in case of array, you can delete the item. If you want to delete the second item, you will just access it and you will delete. If you want to add the third one, you will just access it and then delete. Correct? Here, what you need to do, you just change the address of the node previous. So you just need to exclude an item from the middle if you want to delete it. If you want to add something in the end, just point header location to the second node, and if you want to delete from the end, you will just set the null pointer to the second last pointer. Okay, is it clear? Addition, delete. In case of linked list, yes, ma'am. Here, others. I should say here, location here. Okay, part of here. Okay, now the program for the linked list is very long. If you want to show all these three operations, that means total will be six. Add in the beginning, add in the end. Total six operation, right? In normal cases, we just add in the front or add in the last position. Now you have like six operations. Then again, additional operation will be for traverse. Then again for the display. So you can just imagine the length of your linked list program. So linked list program is the longest program among all the programs you are going to get in this semester. So if in exam, if you select linked list one, then yeah, you will get just one program because it's one program will take the time for both. I can share you the program with you guys today, but but then the concept of linked list is yes, the concept is very easy, very easy. Concept is very easy for the linked list. That's why linked list is the second most favorite data structure. Okay, first is of course the array. Everyone use array. Even for the stack and queue implementation, we use array. But this time we will also see the program how we can implement stack and queue with the help of data structure. Sorry, means linked list data structure. So you already know these data structures are derived type. That means you can implement one type using the other type. Just that the essence will remain same. That means even if you implement stack using linked list, that means operation will still remain same. It should follow the last in first out in case of stack. Okay. And if you are using linked list to implement queue, then also it should hold the same condition. You will add item from the rear and delete item from the front. So those program can show you in next classes. How before that we have to check the concept also, means how we can implement stack and queue with the help of linked list. But for this operations, three operations means adding and deletion in three positions. This program is very long. Yeah, it's easy. Once you understand it, it's very easy. Just that program is very long. So today I'll just share the program with you guys. Then tomorrow I can explain you the program. But first you try to understand the program yourself because you know the concept now. Correct? You are very clear how it works in case of linked list. Now when I'll share the program with you guys just try to understand it. Okay? Try to understand whether it's following your concept or not. And implementation, I can explain you later in next class. Then in next class, you guys can just implement it and show whether it's running or not. Of course, it's running. I always try myself, then only I share with you guys. So you guys check whether you are uh, clear about the program as well or not. So program I'll share in the group. It's a long program. Okay, I have two programs. Okay, in one program, I have only two operations. That means add in the beginning and end, and delete at the beginning and end. But there is no program for the middle part. Then I have another one which also does in the middle one. Okay, I'll share the middle one. Okay, so just try to understand that. I'll share it with you guys. I just take attendance. I'll end the meeting. Hey, tomorrow is a holiday, right? Okay, tomorrow is a holiday. Yay. No need to come to campus. You guys are already at home. I have to come every day. Okay, this is clear. If clear, I'll just stop sharing. Yes, गांधी जयंती है. बापू का बर्थडे है. मैं कल बर्थडे खाने जाऊंगी. कॉलेज नहीं आने वाली. क्लास भी नहीं लूंगी मैं कल. Okay, I'm just taking the attendance. Okay, now it's less. It's 15 students. I just took the attendance. Wait. Okay, if you guys have any network issues, then all just tell your mentor. I already asked her to collect the information from you guys, and I guess she already asked you guys. Means if you are going to miss class, just let your faculty know beforehand. You guys already do that in case of my class. I know that. I don't know about the other classes. Maybe you do the same thing. So, in case you are not able to join a class, just tell beforehand, okay? Then I can just give you attendance. Same, the others can do that too. I cannot guarantee that other will give attendance too, but you just inform. And I know some of you have network issues. So if you have network issues, then you can also mention it there. Okay. So this thing should be helpful for the higher authority people to consider. You guys attendance still good. In the chat. We text beforehand but never got the attendance though. Okay. Okay, that's their choice. I cannot tell other faculty, hey, if someone is telling you I'm not going to stay, then give my attendance. I cannot do that. It's their choice. But it's a good practice. If you cannot attend class for some reason, then just mention it beforehand, just inform beforehand. But for one day, it should be fine. We all have problems. Sometimes we cannot join or start the class even. But some students are like that. They never come to any classes. Like seriously, some of your seniors maybe they never come to the class till date. It's like all absence. That should not be the case. Date number 8. I'll submit all the details of each and every student. Okay, next different, but about the attendance. Okay, yeah, about the attendance, of course, it's their choice. If it's a genuine case, normally I give attendance. I cannot say the same thing about others. For you guys, it's still okay. As I'm saying, some of the seniors are like never did any class. That should not be the case. Then they are going to just curtain call. Okay, if some students are not attending their class regularly, then of course they are going to ask their parents why it's not coming or why not attending. For you guys are quite regular. Only one or two people, not one or two, maybe two, three people are not so regular. And if some of you just have problem, just mention it beforehand. Like Titanka is missing for many days, but he already informed me about his problem, so I'm giving his attendance. So, anyways, okay, done for today. But electric went suddenly, so I cannot inform you. Ah, that's fine. You can inform me later. Means at least I can see you. You are there. Electric thing is different. You are attending the class suddenly, you got power cut, and you are just leaving the meeting. That's a different thing. Okay. Okay. And for today, I'll share the program with you guys. Then in the next class, next lab, okay, next week. Next week, you guys can implement it. Okay. By then, we will also check the theory of implementing stack and key with the help of linked list. Okay. Bye.